In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a backtesting session on FXReplay. So first of all, once you are on your FXReplay dashboard right here, what you can do is click on Create Session on the top left hand corner here. Click on this and then you will get this pop-up menu, and now you need to start off by entering in any account balance that you like. So for example, if I just put 100,000, and then now you want to select obviously the pair that you want. So you've got a whole load of different pairs here, but for this example, I will just choose GBP USD. Go ahead, click on the checkbox right there, and then as you can see, GBP USD is added in the pairs section. And now you want to choose a start date, so you can go all the way back to the 3rd of January 2016. So I will just go back to, let's say, the 1st of March right here, and then you want to choose an end date. So for me, I will choose the 29th of March. And then obviously you can go ahead then and add it into one of the strategy sections right there. If you want to add a new one, just click on add new. And then once you add it in, so I'll just click on add new and just put in, tutorial, click on save. And then that will mean that that will then go into obviously one of these sections on the right hand side. Click on save, and then what that will do is it will then create your new session. As you can see, it has now popped up right there. Just click on the play button. And then what you will notice is that you'll be brought over into your backtesting session, and then it might take a couple of seconds just to load up price. And then as you can see, we are now ready to backtest. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.